How to create app icon for Android. So as you can see, this is my app icon. So when I tap on it, you see that the app will open and it's working perfectly fine. So this is the app icon, and then this one is another also. So this is app icon from generator. That is all you need to create your app icon instantly. What you have to do is that you have to first come and then describe your app in this box. If you don't have any idea, you can come and select any of these, but I have my idea, so I'm simply going to type it in. That is birthday calculator. And then over here we have the color. You can come and then type in the color that you prefer. So I'm simply going to type in orange. That is the color. And then over here we have the words that you want to appear on your app icon. I'm simply going to type in BC, okay, meaning birthday calculator. And then we have the visual style. Okay, so when you click on it, you can come and then select any of these style that you prefer. Okay, I'm going to go with the realistic. Okay, and then over here we have the background style. So we have a simple background, and then we also have a transparent background. I'm going to go with a simple background. Okay, and that is it. What I have to do is simply come and then click on generate prompt, and it will give you instant prompt. Okay, you can come and click on copy to copy, and all that you have to do is simply generate your image. So simply go to Google AI Studio and then come and select the chat option. So from here, make sure that the model that comes with Nano Banana is selected. Okay. After selecting, I simply come and then paste the prompt just like this. Okay, and then come and click on the run. And that is it. It is going to generate your app icon for you. So you see, we have the app icon generated. What I have to do is simply come and click on download, and then go to Google, okay, and come and then type in Canva, okay, and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, simply come and then select the official site of Canva. It's going to bring you right here, okay, and come and select the custom size, okay. So with the custom size, the width, come and type in 1024, and then the height to 1024, okay, and then come and click on generate new design. Over here you have to come and then click on the upload. Okay, so when you click on the upload, you can come and then select upload file, and then over here come and select the icon that you just generated. Okay, so when you select it, come and then click on open. Now you see that it is going to load the image. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come and then drag the image. Okay, just come and drag it right onto the flame just like this. You have the option to resize it, so make sure that you resize it to fit the flame just like this, and then come here to where we have the share and come and click on it, and simply come here to where we have the download and come and click on the download, and make sure that PNG is selected, and then the size is 1024 by 1024, and come and click on download. Okay, so you see that your image is going to be downloaded for you with the right size. Okay, so when you come here with to the download, you are going to see that you can come and click on the open to see it, and that is it. This is how to create your app icon. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.